if we're being honest, when we think about Thanksgiving, we're not showing up for the turkey. We are, but we're not. The turkey's the mascot, yes. The turkey is well represented. When you think of Thanksgiving, you think of that juicy, plump turkey that we want to have, but we know in reality when we get there, it's not going to be juicy. Probably going to be a little dry. But we can fix that. Potatoes always can help that. You've seen those tons of videos of people making garlic roasted potatoes, mashed potatoes, scalloped potatoes. All the potato videos, I understand. You're like, hey, Dad, we're good. We don't do a traditional Thanksgiving around here, and I want to show you what we make here. And what we make is Twice Baked Potato Casserole. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So here, I have a lot of potatoes. A lot of potatoes. And all we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to... Let me show you the recipe. So what we're going to need, you're going to need potatoes. I'm normally about 4 pounds, somewhere in that frame. Some sour cream, cream cheese, some butter, bacon, and we're going to shred our cheese up here in a little bit. So let's get started. I want to make sure our potato gets cooked, right? You want to make sure it gets cooked all the way through. That's the key part in this. Now you can fork it and push your fork through. You can go through each one that way. And get a knife, because we're going to smash these potatoes up. So it doesn't need to be pretty. So you can literally take out some holiday transgressions and just stab that potato. I'm going to get my pan out, get it ready. Once you get all your holes and everything you need poked in them to get them nice and good, put them in your oven at 400 degrees for about an hour to where you can put a fork all the way through it. So my potatoes are in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and get a pan and get my bacon. This here is center cut apple wood bacon. I'm just going to line my pan with it. But you need to make sure you keep an eye on your bacon, because you can burn your bacon pretty fast by doing the oven, but it will be crispy. So I have my bowl here. Perfect. Start dropping these on in. Ooh, yeah, there you go. That these potatoes are cooked, I'm just going to slowly start pushing my masher, whatever this thing is, straight through them. And they're breaking up easy. Look at that. Breaking up great. I'm going to go ahead and drop my butter on in, especially while this is getting warm. A cup of heavy cream. 1 cup. Ooh. I'm going to add some pepper on into these, get them seasoned good, and a little bit of salt. If we look at that. Eight ounces cream cheese. And we're just going to slowly start whisking that on into. A cup of sour cream. Full drive mode. Garlic powder. And a little bit of onion powder on in there. I'm going to go with a little bit more pepper. What we're going to do is we're just going to add our cheese on in. But not all of it. Save a little bit for it. And just mix it on in. You got that? You mix it in. I'm going to get a casserole dish, okay? Twice baked potatoes. They've only been baked once. So we got to bake them again. All right. So then we just start smoothing down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more pepper.
I already did that one.
And a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. We're going to put our cheese on top.
I like it.
The best part of this is that dry turkey that you might be suffering with on Thanksgiving Day. Put a little bit of this with it. Oh, don't want to forget, we have bacon here. So all I'm going to do, it's crispy too. Crumble it up. Look at that.
Why did that stuff?
You see how perfect it crumbled? So then we're just going to put it right on top. All right, so I lowered the temperature on my oven from 400 to 350 degrees. And I'm just going to put this in there, get that cheese melted down. All right, y'all, look at this. This looks absolutely positively. Y'all, this is going to be perfect go-to for Thanksgiving, for when you have that turkey that needs a little bit of extra help.
We went to Grandma, and we got the turkey leg, got the chicken leg, and the corn, and all the thing. We went to her.
All right, y'all, I'm ready to dive in and try this.
And it's going to be the major food I never eat before. That way we don't go to the table and eat this. Thank you for watching my video. Dada and me in the video. Then like it made it. I want you to take a bite, and I think you will like it.
He normally doesn't like mashed potatoes, so that's why it's funny. Is it good? 10 out of 10 sides.
It's the bacon.
Where your family's going to ask you to make this every single time. It's good. It's creamy. It's potato. It's hearty.
The bacon is real good.
The cream cheese doesn't overpower it. The butter. Try this. Check this out.
Click the red button down below and catch you in the next one. Peace.